This is a review of the AmzGod hinges, nicely burnished. Removable pin. It's kind of gummy. It's probably so it wouldn't slip out in shipping and so forth. But yes, it was a little hard to start that, but once it's on the door, if you wanted to take the door off, it would be braced by the screws and you could tap that out. So that's the pin. And as I said, there are 6 pairs of hinges. So you could, remember, if you wanted to do three hinges per door, that would allow you to install 1, 2, 3, 4 doors, or 2 inches per door. You could do 6 doors. It comes with ample number of screws, some of which are very long, perhaps 2 inch. So it's a handy package of AmzGod 12-pack.